Are you a retiree looking to build relationships with active adults who have embraced healthy aging? First of all, fueling your body for a long, healthy life starts with clean eating. By prioritizing nutrient-rich, whole foods, you'll feel energized and vibrant even as you age. Incorporating gluten-free recipes into your diet can further boost your energy levels and help you power through your day. Don't forget about specific anti-aging diet tips, as these can support your body's natural processes and keep you feeling your best. Now let's talk about mindfulness. By incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine, you can reduce stress, improve your mental clarity, and enhance your overall quality of life. Now, let's talk about the benefits of functional fitness. It's all about staying mobile, flexible, and engaged in life. It's also about discovering ways to improve your everyday activities and extend your longevity and well-being, all while surrounded by a vibrant community of active adults over 50. Functional fitness is a crucial step toward healthy aging, and by focusing on strength, balance, and flexibility, you can ensure that you maintain your independence and vitality as you age. Finally, by sharing your journey and inspiring others, you can become a powerful influencer and establish yourself as a trusted source in the community on anti-aging and functional fitness resources. So, are you ready to redefine what it means to age gracefully? Join us and experience the joy of positive interaction with a community dedicated to improving functional fitness and embracing everyday activities. Visit wellover50.com today and re-establish a healthier, happier you. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, it's never too late to become an influential role model for healthy aging. Stay tuned for more inspiration and tips on how to defy age and stay in peak shape.